Hi, this is Nancy Marshall, Distance Information Services Librarian at Briggs Library. I'll narrate this module about LexisNexis Academic. By the end of the session, you'll know how to use LexisNexis Academic to find articles on a specific topic, and you'll also be able to use the database to find broadcast transcripts on a specific topic. You'll also understand how to narrow your search results using menus on the left side of the search screen. Once again, I'll begin at the library's homepage, www.sdstate.edu/library. Like all of our databases, links for LexisNexis are available from several places on the library's website. I could use the link from the Speech 101 Research Guide, or go to the Articles and Databases list that is available on the Find Library Resources page. Since LexisNexis is one of the library's most frequently used databases, we feature this resource in the yellow Library Resources box that is on the right side of the library's main page. I'll use this link. LexisNexis Academic is a database that provides access to over 10,000 sources. The vast majority of the titles on LexisNexis are available in full text. The database covers newspapers, magazines, wire services, legal and business information. News information is updated daily. I'll start at LexisNexis Academic's Easy Search. This is the default search option. As you can see within the Easy Search screen, there are multiple search forms that allow you to search for news stories, legal cases, and company information, to research countries and people, and do a broad search across different types of sources. This many search choices can be a little intimidating. Let's focus on just the Search the News option. Search the News provides a search box where you enter your search terms, and you can search by a general source type or by a specific publication. Today I'll show you how to use the source type option. I'm searching for articles about the default rate on federal student loans. I'll focus on the three ideas included in my topic by searching for federal loans and college students and default. Those are the terms I'll enter in the search box. Note that I'm connecting each of my three concepts or ideas with the word "and." You learned about using "and" to combine different ideas or terms in an earlier segment of this tutorial. For my source type, I'll select newspapers. And I'll click on Go. In the search results page, you can see that many articles matched my search terms. Since I have so many matching articles, I'll start by changing the way that they are sorted from relevance to publication date. I'll pick newest to oldest from the sort menu. This will show the most recent articles first. Before looking at some of the articles, I'm going to use the screen on the left of the page to select specific sources for my information. By clicking on newspapers and then selecting a specific publication, I can view a much shorter list of articles and see only those articles from the publication I've selected. I'm interested specifically in articles from the New York Times on this topic, so I'll select that newspaper title. My list now has 72 articles. To view an article from my search results, I can click on the article title. The text will be displayed. As you can see, The formatting is not the same as it was when the article was originally printed in the New York Times. The text is not formatted in columns, and graphics or images are not displayed. The terms I searched are highlighted in red so I can easily see where my terms appeared in the article. When viewing either the brief list of citations or the full text, I can use the checkbox to mark articles to print, email, or download. Icons for these actions are at the top of the full text article and at the top of my list of citations. A unique collection of information that can be searched in LexisNexis Academic is news transcripts. These are written versions of radio and television broadcasts. I'll click on Edit Search at the top of the page to change my search from newspapers to broadcast transcripts. Since I'm using the same search terms, federal loans and college students and default, I only need to use the pull-down menu to change the type of results that will be displayed. I'll select Broadcast Transcripts here and click on Go. As I did in my newspaper search, I can change the way that my results are sorted from relevance to publication date. I can then open the News Transcripts menu on the left side of the screen to view the various programs that have had segments related to my topic. Since I heard a report on National Public Radio about default rates on federal student loans, I'll select NPR to see the list of transcripts that have come from this news outlet. Near the top of the list, I see the title, Student Loan Defaults Rise, especially at for-profits. This is the report that I heard on the radio. I can click on the title to view the complete transcript. Note that the transcript will read like a script. The names of individuals who are speaking will be identified, followed by their comments. As with the newspaper articles I found in my first search, I can see the total number of words included in the transcript. This is a quick way to identify longer, more substantial items over very short news brief items. The transcript option allows me to search for something that I may have heard on the radio or seen on TV. Instead of relying on my memory to include a vague reference to this information in my speech, I can now document exactly what I heard and when it was said. I hope that you'll try searching LexisNexis Academic for news articles, transcripts, and other types of information. It's a great resource.